and it's a pretty unique name. And sorry, the story's not very good. Man, shut the f up. Oh. Whew. Oh, man. So this is like third time I've recorded this video, and I watched back the previous versions, and god damn, dude, I was trying to play it like pretty straight and trying to be more informational and just like just share my experience, but I just watched it back and it was just so like boring and like robotic, and it was just it was just not any fun, man. So this time but this first one, the stuff I'm about to show, the pickups I'm about to show, I will do I'm gonna try to do more detailed shots of the stuff that I picked up. I don't know, the style's not working for me, dude. I'll probably use some of that stuff as B-roll for this video, just so it wasn't a total waste of my time. Damn, there's like hairs, dog hairs and stuff floating in the air in front of me. So yeah, I mean, I don't want to make this super meta and just talk about the other video, the other like times I filmed this, but I just wanted to go over some of the pickups, man. Like, I've been failing at buying sneakers, so I went ahead and actually was able to get in contact with a dude I met like a couple years ago. Fast forward to the last couple of days, as I'm trying to hunt down this sneaker, I stumbled upon a reseller Instagram account, and it just so happened it was this guy. I asked him, about that interaction. He's like, yeah, man, I remember you. All right, well, yeah, let's get these shoes, man. So, I mean, I got enough. I think I have a decent amount of footage of this thing, but here it is, right here. Came out about a month ago. Did a lot of work to fail at getting them. The regular websites, Yeezy Supply, the Adidas website, and boom, here they are. This is the first big pickup of the summer for me. There's so many videos on these things. Like, I don't think I need to really go into detail, but here's my pair. Here's my specific pair that I got. So I'm excited to have them, because I needed a new silhouette. Yeah, got them. It's cool getting like something new and something exciting on the channel. So there we go. I'm gonna set them right here. So the other part of this pickup video, I guess, would be like all the Fear of God essential stuff I picked up. See, I got one on right now. It's a t-shirt. I don't know if I want to go into like too many details about it, because I did it a bunch of times on the previous video and really like do the product justice. First thing I got is this t-shirt right here. Taking out the bag. Yeah, it's like a heather gray, almost like a really light, like, I don't know, I wouldn't say gray, but it's got like a heather fabric, like a heat set vinyl. I don't know what to call it anymore, but like the rubberized vinyl or print on here, so it's not like a screen print or anything. So it's just like a rubberized logo right there on the front. So just going down the list of the stuff that I picked up, and I'll probably include the funny edit of me trying on this stuff and just playing it way too corny, serious. Yeah, I mean, I was having fun with it, but at the same time, it does not feel natural to me to model like all this stuff for my channel. But who else is gonna do it, man? Stupid. There's a funny story with this. Oops, sorry. There's a funny story with this hoodie. So as I was doing the video, the last version of the video, I was just going over the details of it and discovered that there's a defect on the print. So I'm just gonna show it to you right now. Read that right there. Oh, there we go. That looks really good. That doesn't say fear of God. That says ear of God. What the f***? So I gotta figure out what to do about that. So I'm still waiting on when I'm gonna pick up that other shoe today. Let me see if he got back to me. No, nothing yet. So it's here. Cool, got them in. Draft pick shop, same place, same plug. Don't really need to do like a review on them, but again, there's so many videos of that. I'm not like a Lakers fan by any means, you know, especially back in the day when the Sonics were actually around and rivals with these guys, but I am a Gary Payton fan. So that being said, I've had this in the collection for a little while. I think I picked this up almost 10 years ago, 9 or 10 years ago. Here it is. I got like 5 Gary Payton jerseys, and yeah, one of them is this one when he was on the Lakers. I've always gone on record as saying Gary Payton is the greatest Laker of all time. No disrespect, but I mean disrespect. Being that this is a Gary Payton, like it's not exactly like the player exclusive. Like I'm sure the real PEs have, you know, some sort of embroidery, but it's cool that they, you know, drop this colorway, and I hope they do more. You know, like if they do the black and purple, gonna have to go for those for sure, and not really sleep, because hesitated hard on these ones, so I had to find a new way to get them. But yeah, it's cool that I got them in hand. Very happy. Not much to say about it. You know, this video I know has been kind of all over the place, spanning a few days, a couple reshoots, a couple shoes, a couple pieces of clothes, but let's see if I can put something together that's actually like kind of interesting. Hopefully, you know, I'll be able to pick up more stuff like this. To be honest with you, what really spawned me redoing this video is that my friend Mark, he does majority of the music for this channel. We DJ together sometimes. His wife, Christina, sent me a clip of him reacting to one of my videos. The mayor flavor down. and it was genuine. It was him like laughing at me, just, you know, just goofing off in a video. Like the previous versions, I don't think would have been very entertaining, man. Like, God, man, stop trying to be so goddamn meta, bro. Just stop. All right, let me turn that off.